Hello everybody, good morning. So for today's video is mag-house tour naman tayo. So dito muna tayo sa main entrance. Bali pagpasok yun ng bahay is ito yung makikita nyo. These are just some of our daily essentials like sanitizer, alcohol, air freshener, and of course clothes, perfume. And we have this noise minimizing door na very important. So, it minimizes the noise. So, pag may mga bata, it is very essential to have this kasi Koreans are very much sensitive sa noise. So, when you come in my house, ang una nyong mapapansin is fully matted yung floor namin kasi in consideration sa ground floor. So, we need to make sure that this noise minimizing sliding door is nakasarado talaga siya guys kasi maingay pag nakabukas yun. So, welcome to my house. Bali, I am a very minimalist woman. So, ayoko ng masyadong madaming display, madaming gamit yung bahay. So, gusto ko lang is medyo all white, malinis tingnan. So, ayoko na masyadong madaming display. So, this curtain was supposed to be blinders, kaya lang unsafe siya for kids. So, we have curtains for now. So, I am minimalist, but my husband is so much into colors. So, it was his ideas to put some colorful paintings all around the house. I am very much okay with bare walls, walang ganong gamit. I love plants. So, the center table is actually foldable, kaya laging wala yan dyan, kasi lagi ko yung pino-fold. And the rocking chair is a newly addition kasi the kids would often jump, make the couch trampoline, and hindi kayo makaupo ng maayos. So, we bought this. Then, lipat naman tayo dito sa room ni Dawan. As you can see, wala na siyang toys na gaano guys. So, konti na lang yung toys niya. Puro na lang yung Legos. And, ito naman yung kanyang bed. Bali, they already sleep by themselves. Kaya may mga sarili na silang bed. And before sleeping, I make sure na nagbabasa siya ng books. So, nandyan yung kanyang mga English books. And, meron na rin siyang sariling study table and desktop na computer. Sobrang init ngayon guys. Pero may sarili ding aircon dito si Dawan. So, pag gusto niyang mag-aircon, meron siyang sariling aircon. Meron din siyang sariling upuan dito. And just right in front of Dawan's bedroom is yung malaking restroom dito sa house. Bale, it's a very typical na restroom. We have the toilet bowl, lavabo, bathtub, and yung malaking mirror. So, lahat ng essentials namin guys is nasa likod ng mirror na ito. Bale, I keep everything inside kasi ayoko nga nang masyadong makalat. Nandito rin yung mga stocks. So, they're all inside. So, gamit na gamit yung restroom na yun guys everyday. So, punta naman tayo sa kwarto ng aking munting prinsesa. So, medyo may mga toys pa siya guys. Pero as you can see, lesser yung kanyang toys. And meron na rin siyang sariling bed kasi they sleep by themselves ngayon. So, hindi na sila sa akin tumatabi and I wanted them to have their own privacy and matuto silang, to clean their own bedrooms. Their bedrooms are their responsibility. So, that is her own space sa bahay. So, madalas, bawal na daw kaming pumasok dyan. Kaloka. So, as you can see, meron na rin siyang sariling study table at saka dresser inside that room. So, yung room ni Dasari and our bedroom is magkatapat lang. And sa gitna nun is makikita mo guys itong painting na ito. I really like the colors. It really complements the white. Yung parang it gives color to the whiteness of the house. So, gusto ko itong painting na ito. Then let's go to our bedroom. Bali, inside our bedroom is the veranda. So nandito guys yung mga plants ko. Meron ako dito mini garden, and nandito yung collection ni Habi ng mga small samples ng mga wine and soju. So wherever he goes, pag may mga nakikita siyang maliliit na samples ng wine, kumukuha siya for collection. Meron din ditong mga books and everything guys, may mga halaman. So actually meron niya ditong, alam niyo to, sa Pilipinas Tagalog eh. So kumuha siya ng samples. So this is a perfect place for coffee, meditation, and reading. Pwede din ditong mag-sound trip guys, may speaker. And it's a good place guys to hide from my children. And that door over there is the escape room. And let's go back inside. Bali, pagkasara ko ng door na ito is yung aking very minimalist guys na makeup table. So all white. So very simple. And meron din ako ditong TV, aircon, and syempre yung aking bed. At dahil matipid ako guys, kuripot ako. Lagi akong may electric fan dyan na ready. And I don't know guys, pero pag gabi, malamig pa din. So makapal pa yung aking comforter. Kahit summer na. But I think it is already due na din ng change. So maybe next week. And inside the bedroom is another restroom. So it is just a regular shower and bath. So madalas din ako ditong mag-makeup kasi nandito yung mga makeup ko. And ang ganda dito guys ng lighting. So dito ako madalas mag-makeup. And then punta naman tayo ng aking kitchen. And let's start first here sa aming dining table. So our dining table is just good for 4 people. I really like guys yung counter top ng table na ito kasi totoo siya, hindi siya plated. So kahit patungan ko siya ng mainit, is okay lang. So hindi siya nalulusaw or hindi nagfe-fade yung color niya. And welcome to my kitchen. So this is my air fryer. I have my rice cooker there, and this is my gas range. This is induction guys, and this is also my oven. And I really like that induction guys kasi sobrang very efficient siyang gamitin and very madaling linisan. And meron din ako ditong tablet guys na nakadikit, so I can watch a recipe from YouTube habang nagluluto, or pwede akong makinig ng news or manood ng TV while I'll do the cooking and washing dishes. My water dispenser, yung machine nito guys nasa baba. This is my sink, automatic, bali nasa baba yung controller. And the plates and the cups and the bowls are all hidden inside the cabinets, even the condiments guys. So they're all hidden inside. Ayoko kasi nang makalat. And this is my wash area. Nandito yung aking washing machine. Bali nandito yung mga stock room, yung mga sabon, yung mga paglilinis, and yung ibang stocks. Nandito rin yung ibang mga trash, yung mga hindi ginagamit everyday is nandun. Stock room yung guys, behind that door. And dito naman tayo sa mga cabinets. This is actually a fridge guys. So nandito yung mga stock ng kimchi, yung mga prutas, nandito ko siya nilalagay. And this is my fridge. Actually guys, walang laman. Makalat siya actually. But don't mind it. And that's it guys. So thank you for watching. See you on the next vlog. Bye!